Hello guys, we have this questions. Basics. I'm just discussing about the basics. The first question, what is given? Tan of theta minus 14 pi. Here we have minus theta lies in quadrant 4. Hence, sine of minus theta is always equals to minus sine theta. Cos of minus theta is cos theta, because in quadrant 4 cos and secant positive. Okay, secant. Now tan of minus theta is always equals to minus tan theta, because tan is negative in fourth quadrant. Cot is also negative. Cot minus cot theta. Sin, cos, cot, tan, secant, cosecant. Okay, cosecant also minus theta is equals to minus cosecant theta. These are the formulas. Okay, remember this. Next we are now discussing, this is the fourth question. In this I am taking inside angle negative common, so 14 pi minus theta. Here tan of minus theta formula is minus tan theta, so I can write this as minus tan 14 pi minus theta. So here 14 pi we have 14 pi can be written as 7 times of 2 pi minus theta. So here 2 pi is a one complete rotation circle. This is the first quadrant finishing. Next 2 pi is the first complete one complete rotation. Next 7 means 7 times of 2 pi means this is a 2 times of 2 pi, 3 times of 2 pi, like 4 times of 2 pi, like n times of 2 pi, make it equals to 2 pi only. Okay, n times of 2 pi is always make it equals to 2 pi. Then minus tan into 2 pi minus theta. From here minus 2 pi minus theta, which comes into which quadrant? 2 pi minus theta is fourth quadrant. 2 pi minus theta is fourth quadrant. Fourth quadrant, tan is negative minus tan theta. Hence minus to minus plus tan theta. This is a question. Next, second question. Second question, what we have? Cot. So cot of 21 pi by 2 minus theta. Here in this we have cot 21 pi by 2. 21 pi by 2 can be written as 20 pi plus pi by 2. Can I write? Now 20 pi by 2 plus pi by 2, separating. Next 10 pi plus pi by 2. So I can write 21 pi by 2 as 10 pi plus pi by 2. So I am writing here cot of 10 pi plus pi by 2 minus theta. Now assume this whole thing is theta for some time. Assume. Next cot of 10 pi means here 10 pi is there, like 5 times of 2 pi. It is approximately make it equals to 2 pi only, because it will comes into the same position. So 2 pi plus pi by 2 minus theta. Now 2 pi plus theta. 2 pi plus theta comes into which quadrant? First quadrant. Hence cot will be positive, hence we can write it as pi by 2 minus theta. Next, at pi by 2 minus theta, which comes into first quadrant. Pi by 2 minus theta, which comes into first quadrant cot is positive, but cot will changes as tan theta. Hence this is answer for second question. Next, what we have, third question, cosecant of 5 pi plus theta. Okay. Cosecant of 5 pi plus theta. Here cosecant of 4 pi plus theta, can I write? Here 4 pi means, I said na, 2 pi, this is 4 pi, comes into here. 4 pi plus theta, this is 4 pi minus theta. 4 pi plus theta, which comes into first quadrant, hence in first quadrant positive cosecant. So will become pi plus theta. Pi plus theta, which comes into which quadrant? Pi plus theta. Pi plus theta is third quadrant. In third quadrant, negative cosecant theta. Hence this is the solution for the third. Next, what we have, fourth is secant of 4 pi minus theta. Okay. Fourth question, what we have, secant of 4 pi minus theta is equals to secant of 4 pi, just now I said, right? 4 pi minus theta comes into fourth quadrant. In fourth quadrant, 2 times of 2 pi minus theta. So it will comes into fourth quadrant. Fourth quadrant, secant is positive, hence secant theta. Hence this is the answer for the first. Here sixth question. Let us consider 2 pi by 3. How can we write 2 pi by 3? So 2 pi by 3 can be written as 3 pi minus pi. Can I write this? So 3 pi minus pi is 2 pi. So I am writing that 3 pi by 3 minus pi by 3. Hence from here 3 cancel, it will become pi minus pi by 3. In the similar way, we have 5 pi by 6. 5 pi by 6 can be written as 6 pi minus pi by 6. 6 pi by 6 minus pi by 6. 6 cancel, pi minus pi by 6. So this 5 pi by can be written as this, in this way, 5 pi by 6. Next, 3 pi by 4 can be written as 4 pi minus pi by 4. 4 pi by 4 minus pi by 4. Hence this is 4 cancel, pi minus pi by 4. And so can I write 3 pi by 4 in the place of 3 pi by 4? Pi minus pi by 4. So I am writing here sine square of 2 pi by 3 is pi minus pi by 3 plus cos square into 5 pi by 3 can be written as pi minus pi by 6. 5 pi by 6 can be written as pi minus pi by 6 minus tan square of 3 pi by 4 can be written as pi minus pi by 4. From here, pi minus theta, pi minus theta, pi minus theta. Now pi minus theta comes into which quadrant? Pi minus theta, which comes into second quadrant. Second quadrant, in second quadrant, sine and cosecant positive, remaining all are negative, but here square is there. So I am writing here sine pi by 3 positive plus cos is negative minus cos pi by 6 minus tan is negative minus tan pi by 4. Here square is there, due to which it is positive. Sine square pi by 3 plus cos square pi by 6 minus tan square pi by 4. Now here sine, here in this sine square pi by 3 is root 3 by 2, square is there, so 3 by 4 plus 3 by 4 minus 1, tan pi by 4 is 1. So LCM is 4, 3 plus 3 minus 4. Now 6 minus 4 is 2 by 4 is 1 by 2. Answer is